Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain nitrogen metabolism. Metabolism of nitrogen in the living world, not in the human body or in the animal's body. In the atmosphere, the nitrogen, how circulating from the atmosphere to the living world. That is a metabolism of the nitrogen. See, nitrogen is the fourth most abundant element in the living system. The other elements are the hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. And this is the fourth most abundant element in the living system. See, this nitrogen in the universe is present at three pools. So, what are the three pools? One of the pool is the atmosphere. Atmospheric pool. And number two is the soil pool. Soil pool. This soil pool includes the groundwater also. And number third is the biomass. Biomass means living things. So nitrogen in the universe is present in the atmosphere. It is called atmospheric pool. It is present in the soil, including the groundwater, that is known as the soil pool, and it is present in the living system, that is known as the biomass. Okay. So in the living system, where actually the nitrogen present? In the living system, the nitrogen is present in the protein. In the living system, living organism, nitrogen present in the protein. It is present in the amino acid. It is present in the chlorophyll. It is present in the most of the vitamins. So all the vitamins are also containing this one. So proteins, amino acid, chlorophyll, and most of the vitamins and also hormones are the source of this nitrogen in the case of the living things. Means in the living things, the nitrogen is present in the protein, amino acid, hormones, chlorophyll, and most of the vitamins. Okay, and this nitrogen that is present in the soil. So nitrogen present in the soil is actually nitrogen is actually one of the limiting nutrient in the soil. Why the nitrogen is limiting nutrient in the soil? Because plant compete with the microorganisms for this nitrogen. So nitrogen deficiency is mostly happening in the soil because the nitrogen is plant competing with the microorganisms for the nitrogen. So nitrogen is the limiting factor, limiting nutrient in the soil. Okay, and then the nitrogen present in the atmosphere is near about 78%. But this nitrogen is not available to the plant because the nitrogen is present in the form of the molecule with the three covalent bond present between the two nitrogen atoms. So this bond cannot break by the plant, so it is not available to the plant. So what is the possibility? This nitrogen that is present in the atmosphere converting to the available form. That available form is the ammonia. So nitrogen converting into ammonia, and ammonia converting into nitrate, and nitrate converting into nitrate. That is nitrogen converting into ammonia, and ammonia converting into nitrate, and nitrate converting into nitrate, and this nitrate is available form to the plant. The plant can utilize this nitrate. So this conversion of the nitrogen to ammonia to nitrate is known as a nitrogen fixation. And this nitrogen fixation taken place by the two methods. So what are the two methods for the nitrogen fixation? See, one of the method is known as the industrial method of the nitrogen fixation. So one of the method is the actually a biological method of the nitrogen fixation. A biological. And number two is the biological method of the nitrogen fixation. So what is the abiological nitrogen fixation? Nitrogen fixation taken place without the help of the living organism is known as the abiological method of the nitrogen fixation. And the nitrogen fixation taken place with the help of the living organism is known as the biological method of the nitrogen fixation. Let us study first a biological method of the nitrogen fixation. A biological method of the nitrogen fixation is by two methods. So what are the two methods? One of the method of the abiological is the industrial method of the nitrogen fixation. And another method is the natural method of the nitrogen fixation. So let us take the industrial method of the nitrogen fixation. Industrial method of the nitrogen fixation combining the nitrogen with hydrogen and it producing ammonia. So this method is known as the industrial method of the nitrogen fixation. So when nitrogen combined with hydrogen, not in the lower temperature, higher temperature and higher pressure, in the presence of the urea is requiring, and this nitrogen is converting into ammonia, and this process is known as industrial method of the nitrogen fixation. And this industrial method mostly taken place in the combustion in the industry, in the factories or in the forest fire in the natural condition, and also taken place in the thermal plant, electrical plant, thermal plant, the electricity producing plant, thermal plant, also or the vehicle exhaust pipe. Through the exhaust pipe, the gas are coming outside that also containing the nitrogen. So all these are known as the industrial method of the nitrogen fixation. So industrial method of the nitrogen fixation means combining hydrogen and nitrogen at a high temperature and high pressure in the presence of the urea, ammonia is producing. And this is also happening in the industrial combustion, burning, forest fire, and exhaustible pipe through the exhaustible pipe of the vehicles, and also in the thermal plant. This nitrogen is converting into nitrate or nitrate. So that is industrial method of the nitrogen fixation. And then the natural method of the nitrogen fixation during the lightning happening, and also in the UV rays. So during the lightning and UV rays, high energy is producing, and this high energy is utilized for the production of the nitrogen oxides, different form of the nitrogen oxides, NO2, N2O, N3, NO3, like that nitrogen oxides are produced. So how these nitrogen oxides are producing, let us see. First, the nitrogen combines with oxygen. In the energy is got from the lightning. So when the lightning happening, the nitrogen combines with the oxygen during the lightning, and it is producing NO2. Sorry, and this 2NO2 combines with the oxygen, and it is producing NO3. So this is the oxidation. This is the oxidation process, and this NO3 combines with the ozone. This is actually ozonization process. Ozonization. So during the ozonization process, it is producing N2O5, and this N2O5 combines with the water molecule in the atmosphere, and it is producing ammonia, NH3. 2NH3, ammonia will produce. This is the ammonification reaction. Ammonification taking place in the nature. So ammonia is the first stable product in the nitrogen fixation. So first stable product produced, and this ammonia will converting into nitrate and nitrate. Then actually what is the ammonification? I told a particular word, that is ammonification. What is ammonification? The conversion of the nitrogen present in the dead organic and in dead organic plants and animals. So decaying, when the organic molecules of the plants and animals are decaying, this nitrogen is converting into nitrate, first nitrate, then it will converting into nitrate. And when this ammonia, during that process also, first product formed, stable product formed is the ammonia. Some part of this ammonia is escaping in the atmosphere by the volatilization. So it is a volatile, normal temperature it will become vapor, and by volatilization this ammonia, some part of the ammonia will reach again into the atmosphere. And the remaining part that is using for the conversion of the nitrate and nitrate. So who converting this ammonia to nitrate and nitrate? There are some soil bacteria present in the soil, or soil bacteria. This soil bacteria helping to convert this ammonia to nitrate and nitrate. So see how the reaction taking place. So ammonia means 2NH3. NH3 plus oxygen. So it is converting into 2NO2. 2NO2 means nitrite. 2NO2 plus 2H2O. 2NO2 means nitrate. 2H2O plus 2 hydrogen. It produces 2 hydrogen also. So then this is 2NO2. This 2NO2 then again combines with the oxygen. 2NO2 nitrate combines with oxygen, it is producing NO3. This NO3 is called nitrate. This nitrate is useful for the plant. So how converting the ammonia to nitrate? This process is performing by a particular bacteria present in the soil. That bacteria is the Nitrosomonas bacteria. So here the bacteria is acting is the Nitrosomonas bacteria. Nitrosomonas bacteria, and also here Nitrococcus bacteria. Nitrococcus. So with the help of the Nitrosomonas and Nitrococcus bacteria, ammonia is converting into nitrite. Then after the nitrate formation, nitrate is converting into nitrate in the presence of the Nitrobacter bacteria present in the soil. Nitrobacter bacteria present in the soil. This bacteria, that is the Nitrosomonas or Nitrococcus, Nitrobacter bacteria, is commonly known as the nitrogen fixing bacteria. So it is helping for the fixation of the nitrogen, and this nitrogen fixing bacteria is generally chemoautotropic bacteria. It is not autotrophic, it is autotrophic, but the energy for the autotrophic production of the nitrate is using from the oxidation. So it is known as the chemoautotropic bacteria. Okay, so this happening in the soil, this reaction that is happening in the with the help of the soil bacteria. Then what happens? Some amount of the nitrate already produced, it is available to the plant. This nitrate is converting into nitrite again. NO2 again. So this is known as the denitrification process. Nitrate produced, it converting into nitrate. This process is known as the denitrification process. This denitrification process performing by some other bacteria that is known as the Pseudomonas bacteria. Pseudomonas bacteria, Pseudomonas, and Bacillus, Thiobacillus bacteria. Thiobacillus. This bacteria helping for the denitrification. So by the denitrification, the nitrogen is also entering into the atmosphere. So this cycling of the nitrogen from the atmosphere, from the soil, from the water, and from the biomass to the biomass, the living things, plants and animals, again it reaching to the atmosphere, that is known as the nitrogen cycle. This nitrogen cycle is continuously happening in the atmosphere. It may be by the industrial process or maybe by the biological process. And this is represented by this flow chart. It is very clearly depicting that atmospheric nitrogen. This atmospheric nitrogen, by biological nitrogen fixation, this little bit here explained by the bacteria, nitrogen fixation, this ammonia is a producer. So like that, industrial nitrogen fixation also ammonia producer, and the electrical nitrogen fixation. Electrical nitrogen fixation means lightning and UV radiation. This nitrogen, ammonia is a producer. This ammonia converting into nitrate by the Nitrosomonas and Nitrococcus bacteria. Nitrate is converting into nitrate by the by the Nitrobacter bacteria present in the soil. And some of the nitrate is again coming, reaching to the atmosphere by the denitrification process with the help of the Pseudomonas and the Thiobacillus bacteria. Then here remain a large portion of the nitrate that is useful for the plant. The plant absorbing this nitrate, uptake the nitrate by the leaf, and it is reaching to the leaf. In the leaf, this nitrate is using for the preparation of the different types of the amino acid. It is forming the amine part of the amino acid. So amino acid synthesis, this nitrate is using for the amino acid synthesis, and this nitrate that is taken by the plant biomass, and from the plant biomass, this nitrate is going to the animal biomass through the eating process. The animal using the plant, then the nitrogen is reaching to the animal. So then from the animal biomass, when this animal and the plant die, that is called a decaying of the biomass, this nitrogen is again entering into the atmosphere by the ammonification process, and this actually the ammonia is producing by the decaying process, by the bacterial activity, and this ammonia is entering into the atmosphere. Again it enters in the atmosphere. So this cycle is a continuously taken place. So this is known as a nitrogen cycle. So now we completed the abiological nitrogen fixation. In the next class I will explain the biological nitrogen fixation. What is actually biological nitrogen fixation? Okay, thank you.